Okay, so we try to make this
Oh man,
drawing
like
with fillets.
last couple days.
This is sort of an authentic assignment.
Some things are not.
So we
Doesn't
sketch
matter if he's
right
done it,
here,
but still, it's the fact that he put his nose
make
up
a rectangle.
It's like having
Just
a
gonna make
child
a bracket.
and everything.
So first we're going to fillet the top. Remember this to make the structure a little bit stronger.
Honest to God. That is true.
Here
Yep.
and here.
True. I have my pencil tree up and he hasn't touched that.
Here.
Well, thank goodness that's your
Tree is
prize.
up
Here.
and there's nothing on it yet. So we'll wait to see what happens there.
You can make those fillet lengths whatever you want.
I came in and
We're going to dimension this length.
It must have fell.
It must have been the day.
Let's say 9 inches. Whoops,
Anything bad anymore, but it's just funny.
9
My
inches.
daughter, my youngest daughter.
And let's make this
We literally had
0.75.
halfway up. She would bite glass ornaments if she pulled them off the tree. Like, seriously?
Okay. Let's
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, she was the nearest thing.
extrude this whole
I only
thing.
wanted a real one. I think finally got
And let's make it 0.25 depth.
You know, like,
She
so glad I
got
don't.
early. She would escape
Check
out
one.
the door. Neighbors
Let's
would
look
bring
at
her
what we
back.
got.
And she was just
Right there.
she
Good.
was a complete terror.
Alright,
I
now
thought just like her.
this bracket needs to have, there are some edges that keep it from going up into the device. So we're going to put some holes in the top so that these brackets will fit in. We're just going to sketch right on top of here. Corner rectangles.
Like mischievous and bad. And like they ran like
Always up top.
always. You know, she would climb on
One.
the counters and get up and get like.
One more towards the middle.
Never climbed out of the crib though, which is
I don't know how I was. I think I've been a rule follower.
I was definitely a rule.
My parents still are very scary.
We grew up in a house, like when you went to visit somebody, we literally sat on the couch.
I did too.
You didn't ask, you know. My grandparents lived in Indiana.
Let's make these
The state.
The state of
these
Indiana.
rectangles
They
going to
come
be the
like
same.
2 or 3 times a year.
Yeah, not that
And then we'd go visit them, but when they came, they'd bring like 2 brown
0.25. Let's actually make that
you know, like
0.5. Let's make that.
stuff we didn't get.
Yeah.
Why not?
They'd get out of the car and
And
we did
let's
sit and relax for a little bit. And we knew when my
fillet
grandma
the bottoms of these.
We were never allowed to ask for it. Not one time did we ask for it. We waited till it was offered to us. But I can still remember like, when is it getting up? Like,
Candy. It's funny what you remember, yeah.
isn't it funny? I know. The weird things that you remember.
I do not recall very much of my childhood. I don't know. My parents, even my friend texted me, she's like, I found this thing we did in middle school together. And I'm like, I don't remember middle school. I don't remember anything prior to high school. It's so weird.
Isn't that funny? Well, sometimes my Mia especially, she goes, do you remember when?
No, I don't remember.
Like, no, I don't remember that.
Not never. My mom would say, oh, we used to do all these things when we were
Okay.
children.
So then we're going to extrude this to make it a hole.
We went here on vacation like now.
I have like things, it'll like come to me, like stuff will come to me. That's how I remember. Like I do forget a lot of stuff when my kids were little. I think because they were just so close together. And
We had 4 months, so it was probably
Actually,
just
that's what we have now.
it was a blur.
like just survival.
And that's why I think I enjoyed cakes and rice.
Now,
I miss out on.
we need a little strength to this so it won't bend. We're going to put some additional material on the bottom.
Especially the little ones.
Sketch.
Yeah, we're Shane, 2 girls.
Right here.
Bossy older sister.
Yeah. Mischievous.
And Mia was like his savior. You know, she always stuck up for Shane. That oldest girl, her sister was.
So we're going to extrude that.
Now my brother is luckily my best friend, so.
Yeah, I'd be afraid.
Make that 0.25.
You know, sometimes people like you in your family.
Yeah, it's true. Hey.
And I used to pray that they loved each other, and they do. They have their own. They just are always
have
in contact. They
bracket
love being
fit
together.
in there.
And they're all together. There's always a picture of the 4 of them. It's just so nice, and I never even have to say that. Like, they just all they do is sometimes I don't even know they do it.
Yeah.
Put your name on
Which
it.
I love.
My parents, my mom likes it too. Brother and she kind of gets jealous though. Like we'll go out for breakfast. How much
Name on it.
I mean, I don't need me, but if the dynamic changes when you're there, she's like, well, you did it, right? And I'm like, I'm over it. I'm so sorry. But you know, I don't want to do things.
I just like that they have their own little group text
It is
Great
nice.
for that, yeah.
There we go.
Well, obviously you raised them right.